Hey guys, welcome to another episode of American Flag. My name is Randy Flag and I'm your host. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna try out something called Pop on Veneers. So this video is gonna take like a couple of weeks to do. Okay, so as you can see, I got really bad teeth. I got into an accident when I was young and it made a big gap between my teeth. But before that accident, I still had a gap. So I have like a really big gap. Uh, I don't like smiling. I don't have self-confidence because of this. And so there's something called Pop on Veneers. And so we're going to try it out. So I have to scan this. So I'm going to scan it. And then I'll show you kind of like the video. But I got veneers for my top and bottom teeth. So there's these, I guess, I don't know what you call these here. But there's some silly putty, some putty. We call it putty. And I have to refrigerate this for at least 3 hours. And then I make a teeth impression. So I have the impressions, I have the putty kit, I said put it on the table. I would need a timer for 7 minutes and a mirror. And it has told me to put on these gloves. So I have these gloves. I am about to put on these gloves. All right, so here I'm putting on these gloves. So basically, I made some tooth impressions with some putty that they sent me. And then I just made some impressions and you leave it in there for a couple of minutes. And then they give you 3 times to do it. So I have 3 impressions in there and then I put it back inside and I seal it. And then under here, there's an address to send it to. So tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the post office so it can mail, and then you just kind of wait and hopefully they get it right. So I just picked it up. It's here. My teeth. I'm kind of so excited. My teeth are here. So let's go. So here it is. So I'm so nervous because, I've had bad teeth for most of my life. Since I was 15 and I had an accident. These teeth are just too expensive to fix, To get what I wanted to get, you're gonna have to pay a whole bunch of money. So this is the outline of my teeth. So as you can see how bad that is. I mean, that's like some caveman teeth, some caveman tooth or something like that. My bottom is not so bad, but yeah. This horrible accident destroyed my teeth. So that's how my teeth look. So they give you this. They give you some tablets. So if you need to clean your teeth, these are tablets that you put in a glass of water. They're kind of like, when you have dentures or something. And these cleans them overnight. Now you should be able to eat with this. They give you a toothbrush. And this is the veneers. So let's see. Pop on your smile. So these are my veneers. They seem very light. And that's what you want. Now I'm told that when you first put them in, you're going to have kind of like a lisp or something. And then after a while, the lisp will go away when your mouth gets used to having them. So it just basically is like having a grill, basically. So I'm just going to put them in. And then I'll show the results. So you see my teeth now. right? Or, you can see my teeth. That's always bad for me. I think the feeling is basically like having braces. So you having braces or you're having like a grill. So it feels like you're having a grill. And then after a while, once you start talking and you kind of settle in, then you won't have the lisp anymore. So I still got a lisp. You feel that lisp? So these are my teeth. Like they kind of feel. I'm gonna have a lisp when I speak, but I think they said after a while you'll be used to it. So see, from far away, they probably can't tell or anything like that. Like that they're not real. You will have to come in really close. So these are our new teeth. They fit very snugly. I don't feel any like hurt or anything. They feel very snugly. They're good. Like, and what I can do is like I can pop the bottom out and then pop the top back in. So see? So I could even do this, which would probably be a little bit better. I might put one in or put two in because I'm really concerned about the top up here. And it feels snug. Um, it'll take like used to, so I don't have the lisp. But you're supposed to have a lisp for the first like couple of days, and then the lisp stops, so I can take it out. Okay, pop right out. See, and I can put them in. And then they pop in. So my rating, I would give these like a 9 out of 10. They're really good. Once you get used to it, then it's fine. Like I do have a lisp a little bit, but that's supposed to be what happens like at first, and then you can actually talk regular once they settle in and all that stuff. So yeah, it's great. I love it. I can finally smile. See you guys.